Hi, good morning. Maulan na umaga sa lahat. So, another day, another surgery. So, our cases for today, first, yung ating una is chin augmentation. No, na-carve ko na po yung implant, pino-autoclave na, ini-sterilize na. Then, ang next case is upper and lower blepharoplasty. No, yung naka-hood yung kanyang upper eyelid, then meron siyang eye bags. So malalim masyado yung tear trough. We're going to do fat reposition, no? Ilalagay natin yung fats dito. Sisingit natin doon para mawala yung malalim na tear trough, no? Then we're going another case is yung turkey neck, no? Yung may nakalabas na ano rito skin, yung parang sa manok, no? Yung lambi ng manok. So we're going to do that turkey neck. We're going to remove that. Parang lumpectomy, we remove the fats, we remove the skin, then we lift a little lift dito sa, meron din siyang excess na skin dito. Ideally sana yan, neck lift, no? But sabi ko, since hihiwa na lang rin ako dito, dun ko nakukunin para less ang procedure na gagawin. Tsaka syempre, hindi masyadong mamahalan yung pasyente kasi neck lift is mas mahal, no? Para isang procedure lang, no? So, those are our cases for today. Sana po, huwag lumakas ang ulan para hindi bumaha. No? Sana po matapos natin in time. So, those are our cases for today. Another day, another surgery. Another day, another watch. Calatrava. See you! Oh, hi! Done with chin augmentation. Harmonizing the face. I'm done with upper and lower blepharoplasty and turkey neck surgery, no? Yung may nakaano dito na lambi. So I remove that together with the fats. Then I repaired the platysma. Then do the Z-plasty, no? Parang Z-plasty siya to remove it. Yung dito niya sa may neck, hinila ko na rin pataas para mawala, no? Instead of doing the neck lift, no? Okay na po yan, wala na po yun, no? Then yung kanyang eye bag, just remove the drooping eyelids, is okay already. So I will see you after a week. Another day, another surgery.